Later this week, Kansas City, Missouri Mayor Quinton Lucas says he will announce a plan to extend the reopening order that expires this weekend. Tonight, the mayor's spokesperson tells me he is taking into consideration Memorial Day weekend activities like the large pool party at the Lake of the Ozarks. Details of his amended plan are coming soon. And tomorrow, Missouri Governor Mike Parson will announce the next steps in the Show Me Strong reopening order. Phase 1 expires Sunday. Tonight, Clay County announces it will move into Step 2 of its recovery plan on Monday, June 1st. That means most businesses, including restaurants, bars, gyms, churches, salons, and entertainment facilities, can allow 50% capacity. Pools can open at 25% capacity. Organized sports are allowed with restrictions. Parks and playgrounds can open with social distancing. Now, this does not include the Kansas City, Missouri portion of Clay County, which is under its own restrictions. Remote work is encouraged when possible. 100 new cases of COVID-19 reported in the metro area tonight. More than a third of those cases in our 9-county area comes from Kansas City, Missouri. Clay County, Jackson County, and Johnson County also added new cases. The largest amount of total cases remains in Wyandotte County. Many of those are connected to long-term care facilities. Wyandotte County continued its pop-up testing today at Kansas City, Kansas Community College. We know at least 28 patients were tested this afternoon. The next testing available is tomorrow at Salem Baptist Church and Friday at Rainbow Mennonite Church and Rosedale Development Association. People who live or work in Wyandotte County can get tested if they've had at least one symptom in the last 48 hours, have no symptoms, but have had close contact with someone who has tested positive or have an association to a known outbreak site. Testing at the Cable Dahmer Arena in Independence is available through Saturday. It is free and it is open to any Missouri resident. Registration is not required, but it is suggested on the Missouri Department of Health and Senior Services website. Some workers at Truman Medical Center say their voice is not being heard. That's why they're filing for a union vote. As KMBC 9's Alan Shope tells us tonight, they say it's all about safety and hazard pay.
No hazard pay, no peace!
A message sent very loud.
No hazard pay, no peace!
And very clear.
Hazard pay now!
These Truman Medical Center employees are made up of lab techs, medical assistants, dental assistants, and other vital jobs at the hospital. But they say they're not being treated that way.
Being in the lab, taking care of those COVID-19 specimens that we take care of, and we're having to do it with these type of masks.
The group says they've been told the hospital doesn't have enough N95 masks.
Just last night, I handled over 250 COVID swabs, and all I have is a surgical mask.
These employees say doctors and nurses are on the front line in this fight, but they say their jobs are important here too, and they deserve the proper PEEs. The hospital responding with this statement, quote, "Even though financially this is a very difficult time for health systems, and especially for a safety net hospital like Truman, leadership has been giving a great deal of thought as to how we could show our appreciation for the workers who truly been there for our patients." The group says it's been more than 2 months now, and they still have questions.
Why are we still wearing these? Why are we having to fight? Why are we having to do that?
In Kansas City, Alan Shope, KMBC 9 News.
The group filed paperwork today to force a vote to potentially start a union. Tonight, we're learning more about a positive COVID-19 case at the Ford Claycomo plant. Ford shut down part of the plant for a deep clean Tuesday for 1 hour. Some employees wonder if an hour was thorough enough. KMBC 9 Investigates team checked Ford's procedures for returning to work. There's no specific timeline for how to close. It only says cleaning protocol is governed by the time since the employee was last in the workplace. A Ford spokesperson would not say when the employee was last inside the plant. A United Auto Workers spokesman said he believes Ford did follow protocols.
The important thing is, once it's discovered, to make sure that that person is given the treatment and the quarantine time that they need, and to make sure it's deep cleaned, and to make sure that anybody that was in contact with that person also gets tested and quarantined if need be.
The UAW also says workers are protected financially if they do test positive or come into contact with someone who does.